Welcome to Hope Inspires 247, the spark that ignites the flames of critical thinking and passionate discourse. I'm your host, CC, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey into the world of politics. In a world filled with turmoil and confusion, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected from the issues that shape our lives. But we believe that by coming together, sharing our perspectives, and engaging in meaningful conversations, we can create a brighter, more just future for all. Jamaica has been left reeling in shock and grief following the brutal murder of veteran media practitioner Barbara Gayle. The 77-year-old, who spent several decades serving the RJR News Group, was found dead in her home within the Caymanas Estate Country Club, St. Catherine. The entire media fraternity is mourning the loss of this beloved and respected colleague. The incident has sent shockwaves throughout the nation, with many struggling to comprehend how such a heinous crime could occur in a gated community, ostensibly considered safe. As the nation awaits the findings of the police investigation, speculation is rife. However, it is essential that we refrain from spreading unfounded rumors and allow the authorities to conduct a thorough and impartial investigation. This latest incident serves as a stark reminder of Jamaica's persistently high crime rate. According to the Jamaica Constabulary Force (JCF) latest statistics, there were 1,375 reported murders in 2022, representing a rate of approximately 46.5 per 100,000 inhabitants. To combat this scourge, the government and civil society must collaborate on comprehensive, multifaceted strategies. Some recommendations include 1. Enhance community policing. Strengthening relationships between law enforcement and local communities can help build trust and encourage cooperation. 2. Investment in CCTV infrastructure. Expanding the network of surveillance cameras can aid in crime detection and prevention. 3. Social intervention programs. Addressing the root causes of crime, such as poverty and lack of opportunities, can help reduce the likelihood of individuals turning to violence. 4. Improved forensic capabilities. As we mourn the loss of Barbara Gayle, we must also acknowledge the broader implications of this tragedy. It serves as a stark reminder that crime can affect anyone, regardless of age, profession, or socioeconomic status. We extend our deepest condolences to the bereaved family of Barbara Gayle during this difficult time. May she rest in peace. You will now hear from a neighbor as well as other media practitioners as they recount who Barbara Gayle was to them.
I stayed home to work today. When I heard, I just could not lift a paper because, I can't believe she's really gone. I don't know who would want to kill such a wonderful person.
That aside, the tragedy has left the entire media fraternity in mourning. Her colleagues at the Gleaner Company are also traumatized. Miss Gayle, who was a veteran court reporter since 1968, was remembered as a stalwart in the industry with several awards and accolades.
I was driving. I was on Constant Spring Road, and for a few seconds, I couldn't remember where I was because I got a call and I answered, and I just lost it. I couldn't remember. I had to pull over.
I was shocked. Didn't believe it.
Barbara Gayle spent several decades inside this newsroom. In fact, this is where she sat for many years. And although she retired, she continued to make a valuable contribution to the Gleaner Company and influenced many of her colleagues here.
Members of the team who are now covering courts who have tried to fill her shoes and are doing an admirable job in filling her shoes. She's the one who has provided guidance to them straight throughout.
She was always somebody had this wry smile, that mischievous smile, and when she talked to you, there was like a twinkle in her eyes. She was an easygoing person, somebody you could have a conversation with at ease, no problem whatsoever.
She took me under her wings and taught me some of the basics and fundamental of journalism, but also court reporting in particular. And our relationship flourished from then until I joined the Gleaner in 2013.
Thank you for watching. If this kind of content resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join the community.